Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so daily. We had the Fed yesterday, and they came down in the morning and they printed this 75 half here, kind of nestled into the 9-day simple moving average. You can see it trying to break up above overnight, but let's get on the hourly chart right away. So here's your lower low. Rejected. Okay, lower low versus a 77. Here's your Sunday night low. We come up, you do the Fed, okay? The Fed reaction creates a higher low relative to the 75 half. Then you see a push above the weekly pivot here. And once they got it above the weekly pivot, they started to walk it up. They confirmed daily pivot as support in the overnight, and you just get this generalized walk up. The impact of the whole week is this. The bears have had two shots at converting this, 77 to 79 area. They tried it Sunday night. They tried it Wednesday before the Fed. And all they've done is create these dip buys. And the dip buys continue to be bought. Now, does it mean anything for the bulls? No. It doesn't mean anything until they can take out 94.75. So let me zoom out here. You got to take out 94.75, and then back here you've got the 24.01. But look, this is the high. This is the lower high, the potential lower high versus the all-time high that the bulls have got to deal with, and I think they've got to deal with it. If not today, then tomorrow. It has got to be dealt with this week. If not, then you're going to start to see the weight of it all begin to come down on the heads of the bulls. They've had every opportunity to convert what is not an unachievable lower high. You've had multiple moves into 88.75. Now we've traded as high as 90.75 in the in this overnight. If that 90.75 can't get dealt with in the regular session, you're going to see a retest of the pre-FOMC price down at 23.80.75. And at that point, from 80.75 to 79, you're back in an area that the bulls have got to perform at on a retest. They've got to perform. They've got to hold it. I think 85 is pretty important off the open too. But if you get down into 79.80, they have to perform. If they lose it again, and a lot of it's going to have to do with news. You got a lot of cross currents, especially on the healthcare bill today. And you got a lot of econ this morning. If they lose it, then you certainly get a look at 75 half. If you get a close below the weekly pivot today, I think that would be kind of a statement by the bears, and it makes tomorrow into the jobs report very interesting. But the bears have got to fight back. The pressure's on the bulls to trade up above 95 and trade up above 24.01. And the pressure's on the bears as well. So we've resolved a little bit this week, but not much when you think about we're back trading 86. And I think pretty much every time I've done the webcast, all 4 days this week, we've essentially been trading in the same place, 23.86. So we're going places, and we're, at the same time, when the end of the day comes, we haven't gone anywhere at all. One side or the other is going to have to take control. Somebody's got to take the wheel, and we got to do the next leg in this market. Whether it's up or down, I don't really care, and neither should you. We just want vol. We just want to trade it. All right. Have a great day. I'll catch you for the midday update. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.